Hello folks, what we got here is a Honda Civic EX. We just did an oil change, so we're going to reset the oil life. So basically what we do here is we're going to use the buttons on the left side of the wheel. We have the information button, then you got the arrows, and then you got the enter button. All right, and you have to do it with the car off and with the key on. 2 notches to go into the accessories. All right, my great grandson Nick is here, and Rebecca's here too. All right, let's go, Nick. Explain to us.
Okay, so first of all, I gotta get rid of that. Get rid of all these. Okay. So what you want to first hit your little information button, so it brings up your menu, and then you want to find your wrench. Once you find your wrench, you want to click it, and then once you click it, you're gonna hold the enter button for around 15 seconds.
Here it is.
Okay.
All done.
All the items?
Yeah, got all those little items. Let's double check. Let's shut the car off and let's see where the percentage is.
I think I have to pick one of these.
Reset is completed. There you go. Let's double check it.
I'm gonna turn the car off and then try to start the engine.
Yeah, you can if you want.
Alright. We're gonna turn the car fully on.
Let's see. We could double check the oil life. 100%. There you go.
Yep.
All done. All right, simple guys. Thanks, Nick and Rebecca.
Thank you.
Say ciao. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.